Alright, welcome. In this video, we are going to be learning how to mock designs up on our smartphone. As a graphic designer, one of the ways you can present your works well to your clients is by mocking it up. And usually, Photoshop is used to mock up. But as things are evolving in the digital world, there have been apps coming out on mocking designs up, on mocking things up. So majorly pictures, so it can be a design, it can be a photograph picture. If you're a photographer, this is also very helpful. You can find this helpful. So for the sake of this video tutorial, we are going to be using an app called Mockitup. And yes, you can find it on Play Store, but you will find the basic version on Play Store, whereby you will not be able to access some templates that are available on the app. But you can check the link in the description to access this app, the pro version of this app. It is uploaded in my Google Drive, so I'm currently using this pro version. So if you download the basic version and you cannot access some templates, I'm using the pro version, so it is definitely going to be different. So I put on my data because this app requires internet connection, and then I launch it right away. So mock it up. It is an app that is used to mock a lot of things up. So you can mock different things up. You can mock on different platforms too. Yes, on clothes, on mugs, on frames, phone cases, just different things, a number of things. This app is very useful, very useful, especially if you're a graphic designer and you want to mock your logo up, or let's say you make a product design and you want to mock it up on some certain screens, certain platforms. Let's say t-shirts, a logo, phone case, a mug. Okay, can you see our templates have loaded? And can you see we have clothes, we have t-shirts, video, we have mug and cup, we have cutout design, we have 3D model, we have frame, we have artboard, we have social media profile cutout, and a number of things, a number of platforms where you can mock things up. We have phone case, just a number of platforms, so you can try any of this out. I'm just going to guide you on how to make simple mock-up with your smartphone, and for the sake of this tutorial I'm going to use this third man here under the clothes category. So I'm going to use him. I've already downloaded this template before, so if you are trying out a new template, you have to download the template before you can be able to use it. So I'm just going to click on this man right here. It is going to take me to my workspace, so don't be disturbed if you are new to the app and you're trying to download the template and it is not taking you directly to the workspace. You have to firstly download it. So that is it basically. You can see upload your image on the screen. So I'm just going to upload my image by clicking on this upload your image just on its clothes. It is going to take me to where I can upload my image, and then under this tab you can see recently used and design projects. So it is going to bring my recent designs or recent projects, the recent pictures I've used before. So I can decide to select one of those pictures, and of course I'm selecting one of these pictures. But if you're new to this and you don't have recently used or design projects, you can just go to the last tab on this bottom side of the screen, the bottom right corner of your screen. You can say photo, then I can select any picture of my choice. Then can you see how it looks on his shirt? This looks very good. I'm very sure you would be considering buying this shirt because the design looks pretty good on the shirt. Yeah, that's good. So we have the color here after the image. Okay, sorry, let me introduce it to this bottom side and bottom part. You see we have template, we have image, we have color, and we have add. So under this template you can decide to change the template you are currently using. You can decide to change it from clothes to even 3D model. So use 3D model. You can decide to change it to just anything, frame, just any other model, but I'm not going to do that right now. And then this image, you can select an image. For the color, you can choose the color for your background, or if especially if your background is plain, so you can select the color. If it's a gradient you want to use, you have to download the gradients. So this one is downloading. Just click on any gradient color and then download it. So you can decide to use this. If it's that your background is plain, then you can use one of these things. Do you get it? You can edit your image here too. Under the settings, you can see the brightness. Can you see it is brightening up? The brightness is brightening up. The saturation, I'm going to slightly increase the saturation so that it can come up premium. The highlights a little bit so that it can bring the bright lights out, and then the shadow, okay, let me increase it a little bit so that it can draw a little bit of contrast, and then the brightness a little bit up or a little bit down. Okay, can we have something like this? It really draws it out, but let's have something like this. All right, that is just it. Then when you click on this add, you can add a graphic or a text or a doodle or a brush. So if you want to add a text, you can just type to edit t-shirt. So you can click on, you can type, sorry, t-shirt mockup, and then place it on the design done. Okay, so this is it. You can place it up here. You can change the font to something different. You can change the color. You can do a number of things on this. You can even select the color from your this thing, and then you can reduce the size a little bit. Can you see we have something like this here? So I'm just going to leave it this way. You can change the styles. You can apply spacing, stroke, shadow. As a graphic designer, you should know what this means. You can apply a curve if I want to rotate it a little bit, but don't let me do that. Okay, so you can apply a background too. So let us just leave it this way, and then to save it, you're just going to click on the top right, the button at the top right corner of your screen, this save button here. You're just going to say click on the save button here, and then you're going to be given an option to edit the dimensions, the qualities, the some basic export edits, so the format, the size, and so on. And after doing all this, you can navigate around this export page. Normally you're just going to click on the save usually. So when you click on save, it has saved your mockup already. So let us try using another template by clicking on this templates button here. Let us use a 3D model here. Let's say this cup. So it is going to download this cup now, and it is going to, okay, it's almost downloaded. All right, can you see that the design has been applied on this cup? You can change the size, and so this is basically how it is going to be applied on the cup. And so you have it. You can also save this. You can change the text to something else. You can edit it by clicking on this keyboard, and then since we've changed it to 3D 3D cup mockup, so you can just add that. This is not important. I'm just adding it so that I can show you the what do I call it, the features in this app. So it is going to be applied. Okay, it is definitely going to be applied. The color should be this, yes, for sure. Yeah, what's going on? This is definitely going to be applied. Let's try changing the font or something. Okay, let's look for another font. Okay, let's use this, and then you can export this too. So that is basically how you are going to change the templates when you're mocking your designs up on this app. So let's say you want to use one image on different platforms, and you don't want to be going back and just downloading, looking for platforms like that. So you can just navigate using the templates icon on the workspace to check out different templates, and then you're going to save it. So this is basically how you're going to mock your designs up on your smartphone for free. So don't forget, check the description of this video for the link to the Mockitup premium app, which I've uploaded on my Google Drive. And if you got value from this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. By subscribing, you're encouraging us to produce more videos, to upload more helpful videos. I'm very sure you find this helpful. So you are encouraging us to upload more helpful videos, and then we'll continue doing that when you keep encouraging us. Don't also forget to like this video if you truly got value, and then share with your friends in who might also be in need of this particular video, who might also find this video helpful. So don't forget to do that. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye for now.